The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. Now I want to let you know about an incident that happened within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, where it is said that a 1 year and months old baby died after a man chopped the baby with a machete. Some persons might call the machete a cutlass. It is said that the man attacked his common law wife with the machete and the baby got chopped during the incident. The incident happened on the 19th of September, the year 2021, and I also saw a video posted on social media that shows the female who is said to be the common law wife who was involved in the incident. In the video that I saw, the female talked about the incident that happened, and she also talked about some things that happened between her and the man who chopped the baby. The female also talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to explain to you in my words, according to how I understand the things that the female said in the video that I saw. Now, please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say to you might not be word for word or accurate as to how the female said those things in the video. I'm just explaining to you to the best of my knowledge according to how I understand the things that the female said in the video that I saw. So please bear that in mind. Now, according to how I understand some things that the female said in the video that I saw, I got the understanding that she said that her daughter came to her house with her grandchild. That's her daughter's child, which is the baby who died. I got the understanding that she said that sometime within the night, on the 19th of September, the year 2021, an argument developed between her and the man who chopped the baby. I also got the understanding that she said that at one point she was holding the baby. And I also got the understanding that during the argument, the man went for a machete. I also got the understanding that the female said that the man attacked her with the machete while she was holding the baby, and that she told him that she was holding the baby. However, I also got the understanding that she said that the man continued to attack her with the machete and the baby got chopped during the incident. Now, according to some things that I read in a news article, I got the understanding that the baby had been taken to a hospital where the baby had been pronounced dead. I also got the understanding that the man had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I read in a news article where it is said that the man is 68 years old. And when I saw that part of the news article, I paused. And I paused. I said to myself, whoa, really? Yeah, I said to myself, whoa, really? Yeah. Anyways, according to some more things that the female said, I got the understanding that this is not the first time that that man attacked the female or physically abused her. I also got the understanding that the female said that the man threatened her life more than one time. The female said that she was in a relationship with the man for more than 20 years and that the man was born within the country that is known as Guyana. The female talked about an incident where she said that the man held a knife at her throat. The female also talked about other things as well, now viewers and subscribers, but I'm just trying to explain to you according to how I understand some of the things that she said. See? The female said that she did not want to tell her children about the abusive relationship that she and the man have because she don't want certain things to happen. In my point of view, I think that she didn't want her children to confront this man in a certain way, maybe violent, who knows. See? The female talked about an incident where she said that he pulled down her panties. In my point of view, according to the things that she said, I think that he pressured her for sex one night. See, the female also said that he asked her to marry him. I'm not sure if she said that he asked her to marry him one time or maybe more than one time, but I got the understanding that she refused from marrying that man. And I want to say to each and everyone out there, whether you're a man or a woman, if you find yourself in a relationship where your partner is physically or mentally abusing you, try and get out of that relationship. That's not healthy. The female also said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that he threatened to kill her and kill himself. The female talked about arguments that happened between him and her. And in my point of view, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she believed that he premeditated to kill her, and it resulted in the baby losing her life. Viewers and subscribers, this is really a sad situation. And I read, this is really a sad situation, you know. Now, I didn't want to say certain things in the viewers and subscribers because this is really and truly a gruesome act. See? But just to make things be very clear, it is reported that the baby had been chopped on the head. Yeah. And according to some things that I heard in a news report that I saw, I got the understanding that that same 68-year-old man have a history of violent behavior. According to some things that I heard in a news report that I saw, I got the understanding that that same 68-year-old man is before the court within Trinidad and Tobago for charges relating to incidents of woundings and malicious damage. Yeah. You know, my people, it really sad. You know, this whole situation really sad. I mean, I wish that something like this never happened. Like for real, it really, really sad. But just to make you know what I'm going. So, yeah, so I left it. Big up and respect each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see.